everyone! Welcome to my channel! AI design tools are improving really fast. They can now generate website layouts, UI concepts, and even complete homepage designs from simple instructions. But one question remains. Can AI really design a website for a real e-commerce business? To find out, I tested 3 AI design tools. I gave them the same task. The goal was not to find a winner. I wanted to see how different AI tools understand design. After testing, I found that all 3 tools followed a similar process, but the results were quite different. Stitch seemed to focus more on building a design system first. It created a color palette before generating the page, which helped define the overall visual direction. The final result followed the style of the reference website, but the layout and feature arrangement were still different. One interesting thing about Stitch is its workflow flexibility. It supports exporting or connecting with tools like Figma, Google AI Studio, MCP, Netlify, Lovable, and zip files. Miora stayed closest to the reference website. It better understood the original structure, including the layout and presentation style. It also showed the design in a responsive format, which is useful for e-commerce websites. However, while the structure was close, the visual details still needed more refinement. Miora also provides export options like PNG, JP, PDF, HTML, and zip, making it easier to share design concepts. Figma Make took a slightly different approach. In this test, it seemed to rely more on the written requirements rather than deeply analyzing the reference website. The result felt more like a new design concept based on the business description. After this experiment, I think the interesting question is not which AI tool is the best. Instead, it is how AI will become part of the e-commerce design workflow. AI can already help teams explore ideas and create prototypes faster. But creating a successful e-commerce website still requires understanding customers, branding, and business goals. Which AI-generated design do you think is closest to a real e-commerce project? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify and e-commerce insights. See you next time!